Welcome to the world of opportunity, where creating professional videos is now easier than ever using just your phone. To start, it's important to choose a niche that not only interests you but also has the potential to generate high revenue. By treating your YouTube channel like a business from day one, you set yourself up for long-term success. Some of the highest-paying niches include luxury and lifestyle, personal finance, technology, and health. For this video, we are focusing on the luxury and lifestyle niche, a space where creators can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per thousand views. Imagine gaining 80,000 views per day. At a rate of $10 per thousand views, that translates to $800 daily or over $224,000 per month. This is the power of strategic content creation. Next, we need an engaging video title that attracts viewers and ranks well in search results. Instead of brainstorming, leverage AI tools like ChatGPT by asking it to generate 50 viral YouTube titles in your chosen niche. By incorporating keywords that enhance SEO, your content will have a better chance of appearing in search results, increasing visibility and engagement. With a compelling title in hand, it's time to create your faceless video. Using AI-powered platforms like InVideo AI, you can effortlessly generate high-quality videos without showing your face or recording your voice. Simply download the app, sign in, and choose the YouTube explainer format. An ideal video length is at least 8 minutes to maximize earnings through mid-roll ads. Enter your chosen title, select background music that aligns with the luxurious theme, and pick a voiceover that enhances the content's appeal. A deep, husky British accent, for instance, adds an air of sophistication to luxury-related videos. Adding subtitles increases accessibility and boosts engagement. After setting the parameters, let AI generate the video. Choose an audience preference, refine the look and feel, and within minutes, your faceless video is ready. If adjustments are needed, use text-based commands to make edits instantly. You can shorten the video for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, change the voiceover style, modify the script, or even add humor to the introduction. AI allows for seamless modifications with just a few simple prompts. The final step is exporting your video in high resolution. Add branding elements like a watermark if desired, and ensure the best quality output. While AI tools offer free access, upgrading to a premium plan unlocks more features, including watermark-free exports and extended editing options. With access to an extensive library of royalty-free clips from premium sources, the investment is well worth it. By dedicating just 30 minutes a week, you can create 3 high-quality faceless videos, setting a strong foundation for YouTube growth. Posting consistently and optimizing SEO strategies can lead to a sustainable income stream. AI-powered video creation is revolutionizing content production, making it faster, easier, and more profitable than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable insights.